Hi, it's Jam again. Welcome to my channel. My nails are so fab. If you want to know how I got these nails, link is in the description and up there. I got a box here. I purchased skincare and some goodies. You can visit their site. I'll just drop it in the description if you want to visit their shop. And let's open it. Their packaging is very secure. The box is thick also, which means it can't be easily damaged. The first product I'll show is this Innisfree Green Tea Hydrating Amino Acid Cleansing Foam. I want to give this to my cousin as a present, so I hope she likes it. Next is this Tiger Balm Inhaler from Thailand. Second time ordering this one. I misplaced or dropped somewhere my old one. I'm not using this much, but when I feel like I have some uncomfy feeling from my nose, I use this. And this Oxycure Acne Clear Powder Med. I don't know how to use this yet, and I hope this will help my jaw acne problem. I got some samples also here. Both are from 𝘍𝘍𝑒𝑞. You can visit their social media accounts and online shops listed in this brochure. And Maxim coffees, my favorite mocha. Lastly, these two Cosrx products. Both are from the Centella line. I don't know if they have another Centella products out of these two. Never tried this yet, and hoping this will work for me. So that's all I got from this parcel. Thank you for tuning in and hope you have a wonderful day or night. See you in my next video. Always remember, be kind to everyone, even if others are not. Bye bye.